Okay, I'm making a Korean sweet pancake called the hotteok. Hot dogs.
It's spelled hot dog, H-O-T.
T-E-O-K. Hot dog. Here I got a dough that I made for about an hour. We got one cup of whole wheat flour and half a cup of water and about 7 grams of yeast, brewing yeast, and half a teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar, sorry, and some salt, right? See, over a period of 1 hour, the yeast has worked on the flour and become very doughy. Yeah, I'm gonna.
But you didn't mention the secret.
Oh yeah, sorry. Warm water. What? Water
Hot or warm?
Warm water.
Drinkable warm water?
Warm water. Yeah. So you can see the yeast.
Because when you use cold water, it just
Yeah.
doesn't seem to
Yeah.
work as well.
Good. So I just let some of the trapped air bubble go. Right? You can see the dough is really
Very springy.
springy. Yeah.
Do you want to leave it for a while more?
Maybe about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Flour on the board here.
So we added a bit more flour.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. The trick is you have to flour our hand first because I didn't do that, so it's getting sticky on my hand.
I think you're gonna have the more.
So my wife taking over the kneading part of the dough.
Again, I'm no expert, but I'm thinking you need to kind of not just squeeze. I think you got to
Yeah.
massage it.
Yeah. Out of the dough, we're gonna make 4 equal shape dough
Pieces. All right. Then how much should I put in? About
Yeah, one. Yeah. Bit more.
This is what walnuts.
Yeah, walnut, cinnamon, and some sugar. This is a traditional Korean filling.
Yeah.
Okay, now wrap it up.
Should I just press it together?
Mày cảm ơn nhiều mom. You put the filling in the middle and then fold it out like a money bag. Alright? Good. Yep, flatten from both sides. I mean, one side, you will seal out the other end, right? Flatten a bit more, Yep.
And you just want to
I'm gonna pan fry it.
Okay.
Okay, I just transfer the flattened hot dog onto my stone frying pan, no oil.
Just
Okay, 4 of the hot dog is already in, so let it fry for maybe a couple of minutes on each side. Let's see how it goes. Okay, doing the other side. Looking good.
it'll be hot.
Here we are. 4 freshly made Korean hot dog. Enjoy. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and share my channel, Frankly Plant-Based Dad. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.
Bye. Hot, frankly.
Yep.
It's super hot.
Yeah, nice and hot. Go on.
I can't break it. It's too hot. Woo. Then I have to cut it. Wait.
My wife complains it's too hot to break it by hand, so she's cutting the hot dog. There we go. How it looks inside.
I put a bit more high.
Can you break it off completely? Beautiful.
We can put a bit more filling next time, huh?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.